Hello blast processors, and this is a very quick video which I hadn't expected to make. Now previously in Blast Process we went to the lakes and we interviewed Lorenzo Etherington, one of the Etherington Brothers. Now they just done another Kickstarter, and the book from that said Kickstarter has arrived today, and I just happened to be going through our videos and then so we realised we've got a video waiting to happen, but I haven't got the camera, so I'm using the phone, so apologies for the degradation in quality. But anyway, I'm in the kitchen. You may hear the humming noise, which is the fridge. It's time to join in right now. But on the table next to me is the book, so I'm going to go swap over to the other camera if I can figure out how to. He says, looking how to do this. Right, managed it. Now then, here we have, you can see it in the bubble wrap it came in. So we'll open that side out. I'm doing this single-handed, which is making it entertaining to do. What can we see? Now then, there's an half print that came with the book, and the book. Oh blimey, trying to do this single-handed is not easy. Bear with me. Let's make my hand underneath it. And you're going to get an extreme close-up as I happen to get the bag started, and it's out of the bag. Yay! Right, so as you see, we have a signed Lorenzo Etherington print from Stransky. Excellent. Well worth buying a copy of that, by the way, if you can find one. Ooh, exclusive print. How to think when you draw. Thank you. Well, thanks very much. Right, I'll move that out of the way. And here we have the book, How to Think When You Draw, with Lorenzo, Volume 2. Right, I've never done a video like this before. This is interesting to do. As you can see, we have small examples from said interior, and that's there. I've got the spine, telling you exactly what it is. So it's stack up nicely against Volume 1, which I do have. It's not immediately to hand because I hadn't planned it on any of this. And here we have the back. There we go. So how big is this volume? You've seen the spine that side. As you can see, it's fairly substantial. Would you expect anything less from these people? Right. We have. Okay, you're going to flip through the wrong way because I'm using my right hand to hold the camera. It's now not focusing. Oh, we can see the biscuits there. Right, so what can we do? Let's get some pictures up. Now that's because we're going to the back, we're seeing like also available type stuff, which is still nice to see anyway. Cityscapes expansion. Oh, so obviously the expansions at the back. Tutorial 64. It's like finding out the book that did it. Let's keep going. Distance. Detail at a distance. Train tracks. Stone columns. More stone columns. Obviously the way around. Stairs. Lampposts. Who doesn't like a good lamppost, eh? Chains. Baskets. More baskets. Oop. Chapter 7, world buildings. So obviously it's chapterized. Forests, forests, forests. Overgrown vegetation. Vines. Well, I'm saying out loud for, but you can quite easily see it. It's quite a big book. Flags. Ooh, flag waving. Light rain. Chapter 4, pirate ships. This is the first time I've looked through it as well. Honestly, who can't resist an animal in a monster truck? I actually look like cats. I have to say, though I said to him in person, he does manage to give vehicles volume. The subtle touches just give it a sense of presence in the scene. Dinosaurs. Dolphins, rabbits, hares. Yeah. Dragon wings. Don't see that in the menu very often. Hooves. Anyway, I'm giving you a sample look through. Remember, all these tutorials are online, which you can't praise them enough for doing that. All of them both. I know they're going to do a writing book at some point. Oop, all the hair you can imagine. Hair in motion. Obviously now at the front, some notes. There's the chap himself. Yay. And here we have the contents page. So back to front to how you would normally read it. Show to take all that in. And that is how to think when you draw. And thank you for enjoying this video. It was a very quick, impromptu flip through of a book that came today in the post. And thank you to Lorenzo and Kickstarter. Bye.